Alright, so in this video we will cover exercise 13.5, question number 4, 5 and 6. So question number 4, if you read the question, so basically they are talking about a cuboidal pit. Okay, so a cuboid is like this, and this pit is a cuboidal pit, and this pit has a length of 8 meter. Okay, so 8 meter long, and it is 6 meter broad, that means breadth is 6 and the height is 3 meter. Okay, now you have to find the cost of digging the pit at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. So obviously you have to find the volume first. So the volume of the cuboid, as we know, is L into B into H. So that is 8 into 6 into 3, and it will give you 144 meter cube. This is the volume of the pit. So now you have to dig the pit and find the cost. So the cost per meter cube is rupees 30 it is. So we have 144 in total, so 30 into 144, this will give you the total volume and then the total cost, of course. So total cost now is of rupees 4320 if you multiply. Okay, so very simple. First we'll find a volume and then we'll find a cost. Okay, that is question number 4. Now let's move on to question number 5. Now question number 5 is very straightforward. The volume of a tank is given as 50,000 liters and the length and breadth is given. You have to find a height. So basically what you observe is that the length and breadth are given in meter, but the volume is in liter. That you have to convert to meter. So liter to meter cube, if you convert, you have to divide by 1000. So that will give you 50 meter cube. Okay, so my volume is 50. So L into B into H is basically 50. L and B is given. From here you can obviously find the height, and your height should be 2 meter. Very easy, very straightforward question. Okay, only thing that you need to be careful here is this conversion. All right, now let's move on to question number 6. Now this question number 6 is very important. So they're talking about a village. A village has population of 4,000 and each person per day, so water per day per person is 150 liter. Each person needs 150 liter of water. So from this information what you can find is the water requirement per day, isn't it? So water requirement per day, the one person needs 150 liter. There are total 4,000 people in the village, so 4,000 into 150 liter, this is the water requirement per day. So that will give you 15 into 4 is 60 followed by 40. This much of liter of water is required per day. After that they are talking about a tank, and the tank is a cuboidal, and this particular tank has its length as the length of the tank is 20. So length is 20 meter, breadth is 15 and height is 6. Okay, so water is being stored in the tank. The question is, this amount of water that is in the tank, it will last for how many days? So obviously now I need to find the volume of the tank. Okay, so volume of the tank is length into breadth into height. So that will give you 20 into 15 into 6. Okay, so that will give you 1. If you multiply 15 into 6 is 90, isn't it? 90 into 2, so 1800 liter, meter cube rather, not liter, meter cube. Now what is interesting over here to understand is that this is in liter and this is in meter cube. This I have to convert to liter. So 1 meter cube is 1000, so this will become this much of liter into 1000. Okay, so this is your water requirement per day, and this is my capacity of the tank. So you have to find a number of days this water is going to last, right? Therefore, the number of days that the water is going to last is obviously the volume of the tank. Volume of the tank is 18 followed by 5 zeros is divided by number of amount of water required per day. So that is 6 followed by 5 zeros, and this will obviously give you 3. So number of days that water is going to last is 3 days. So this question is very important from examination point of view. Please be careful while solving this question. Alright. So in this video I have covered question number 4, 5 and 6. Next video we shall cover 7, 8 and 9.